Hi guys, Matush from Microgreens, and today we're gonna look at the difference between a hemp mat and our soil mix grow mediums. Hope you like it. Watch all our other videos and let's get started. So first we're gonna take some water and make sure that we water the hemp mat and the soil properly, thoroughly. And now we're gonna spread the seed, right? I'm gonna try to go as evenly as possible on both, so it's the same kind of idea. Okay, I think I had one seed here. Make sure we empty it up, and now we're gonna water it some more. Ready to go to the dark for about 2-3 days, and then we're gonna check it out, and I'll cut it out in and out, and we'll keep an eye on the progress. Thanks guys.